Stripe is a great way to add payment methods to your website and stuff. Here you can receive payments without being so much hush. How can you make a Stripe API in just simple step? How can you create one? You have to go to the stripe.com and depends on your location. Now here you can click on log in your account with your, if you don't have an account, you can sign up. If you already have an account, just simply sign in with your saved password. After click on the dashboard, now it's time to go to the developers option, which is left sidebar menu. Here you can click on the API section. After clicking on, you can see the publishable API key. You can click on secret key. You can reveal it. Remember, do not reveal your secret API key. It could be very harmful for a business. Now you can go to the Stripe setting of API key. Here you can edit it. So this was how you can create simple API key using Stripe. Stripe is one of the best payment methods you can use in your website and online business to set up quick payment receipt.